Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is vinegar more effective than bleach? Vinegar truly is better than bleach at killing mold. In fact, recognizing the bleach as a threat, the mold will grow back even stronger. When bleach is used on porous surfaces like drywall or wood, mold membranes will move deeper into the surface to avoid the chemical.
Take our lead.
Regarding bleach working as well as vinegar, vinegar is not as effective as bleach and does not kill as many germs. Vinegar does kill some things, but it is only 90% effective against bacteria and 80% to 83% effective against viruses and mold, mildew. Bleach kills 99.9% of bacteria, viruses and mold, mildew.
Let's help you make your mark.
As such, Lysol can kill 99.9% of the viruses and bacteria on a hard and soft surface like floor, doorknob, sinks, and toilets. The majority of Lysol users supports the idea that Lysol is very effective in killing mold and mildew due to its strong properties and ingredients. More on those in a second.
Let's help you make your mark.
2 hours. Spray generously until the mold is 100% covered and wet. After spraying, let the vinegar sit for 2 hours so it can penetrate the mold and kill it completely. After 2 hours, grab a scrub brush, toothbrush, or sponge and scrub the moldy area until everything comes off.
Let's help you make your mark.
Baking soda also absorbs moisture to help keep mold away. If you're wondering if vinegar kills mold, that is an affirmative. Vinegar is a mild acid, which can kill 82% of mold species. However, it also has the advantages of being natural and safe.
Let's help you make your mark.
Of course, vinegar does kill some things, but it's important to note it's not a complete solution to disinfectant. It is only 90% effective against bacteria and around 80% effective against viruses and mold or mildew. Bleach, however, kills 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and mold or mildew.
Take our lead.
Add 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda to a spray bottle of water and shake until it has dissolved. Spray the moldy area with the baking soda and water solution, then use a scrub brush to remove mold from the surface. This will kill any leftover mold and help prevent the mold from returning.
Let's help you make your mark.
Vinegar is an effective mold killer, as is bleach. However, these two chemicals should be used separately to rid surfaces of mold. If they are combined into one mixture, the result is hazardous to your health instead of a more effective mold remover. Ensure you use vinegar and bleach in the proper way to remove mold.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.